We all want it, that viral video, millions of views, overnight sensation. It's the dream of many. Likes and subscribers pouring in. The rush of validation and excitement. It's about the connection, the community, sharing your passion with the world, seeing your creativity resonate. It's a powerful feeling to be the next big YouTube sensation. It's about the journey, growth, and impact. Making a video go viral isn't just luck, it's strategy, understanding your audience and creating compelling content, putting in the hours, refining your craft and never giving up. Learning and constantly improving, authenticity, being true to yourself, and creating passionate content. The thrill of seeing your video spread, the joy of reading comments, validation of hard work and creativity, connecting with people, building a community, and making a difference. Grab your camera and dive into YouTube. Always something new to learn. Let's embark on this journey together. Humans are hardwired for stories. They help us make sense of the world, pass down knowledge, and connect with one another. From campfires to screens, storytelling creates a sense of community and emotional engagement. The best YouTube videos tell compelling stories, making even mundane topics captivating. Emotional engagement keeps viewers coming back for more. Great storytellers create content that is informative, entertaining, and emotionally engaging. You've poured your heart into creating an awesome video. Now make sure people click on it. Titles and thumbnails are crucial. They grab attention in a sea of content. Your title should be short and snappy. It must reflect your video's content. Thumbnails are equally important. Use bright colors and bold fonts. Capture attention in seconds. Make it count. The YouTube algorithm. It's a mysterious beast, but it's not your enemy. It's designed to help you. Connect viewers with content they'll enjoy. Focus on watch time and engagement. Create high-quality, engaging content. Keep viewers watching until the end. Encourage likes, comments, and subscribes. The more engaged your viewers are, the more the algorithm rewards you. Section 5. Finding your people. Building a community. One of the most rewarding aspects of YouTube is the sense of community. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the connections you make. Connecting with people who share your passions is like finding your tribe. Building a community takes time and effort. It's a gradual process that requires consistency. Be strategic and thoughtful about your content. Each video should serve a purpose. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of belonging. Think of your channel as a virtual clubhouse where people feel welcomed. What kind of atmosphere do you want to create? Your content and tone contribute to the vibe. Be authentic, approachable, and genuinely interested in your viewers. A strong community is the backbone of your channel. Nurture it for a loyal, engaged audience. Section 6. Keep them hooked. Engagement is key. Keep viewers glued to their screens. Engagement is crucial. Create an interactive experience. Ask questions, encourage comments, and run contests. Keep your audience engaged. Make videos dynamic and appealing. Use jump cuts and creative transitions. Attention spans are short. Innovate to keep viewers engaged. Section 7. The grind never stops. Consistency is king. Success on YouTube takes hard work and dedication. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Consistently show up even when you don't feel like it. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key. Viewers need to know when to expect new content. Experiment with different types of content. Try vlogs, tutorials, challenges. Understand what resonates with your audience. Rome wasn't built in a day. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Section 8. Don't be afraid to be different. Stand out from the crowd. Be yourself, quirks and all. Embrace your individuality and let it shine. Authenticity is magnetic. Be genuine. Be you. Section 9. Go forth and create. My crash course on viral YouTube videos. Grab your camera, find your voice, and start creating. The world is waiting to hear your story. With hard work, dedication, and luck, anything is possible. Now go out there and make some magic.